Hi, my name is Asif Imran and my partner is Noor Fatma. Thanks to give us opportunity to participate in this hackathon. Now here is the visual graph of my project which is related to the weather disaster management system. This project starts from the weather state which I got through API. Then it will proceed to analyze disaster, assess severity. These two nodes are works with LLM. Then it will go to the data logging and it log the record in the text file. After that, basically I have created two routes. After that, if we see there are three types of response: emergency response, civil defense response, public work response. From here, I applied two router. One router is code is here and other router code is here, and one function of human verification which is here. This third type is severity level critical or high. When severity level is declared critical or high, then it will go to the emergency response node and it will go to the send email alert without any interference of the humans. This code is describing over here. If severity in critical high, return emergency response and return send email alert. If the disaster is the flood and storm other than critical and high and disaster state is flood or storm, then this part is activated and it will go to the public works response. Other than these, it will go to the civil defense response. Here there is a get human verification function for the message who are not critical, not high, then these messages are low or medium and it required the approval of the human verification. Here is the coding for the human verification and we get human approved from here. If human approved, then it go to this route and come here and return send email alert if state human approved. And from here it will go to the here and it will send email alert. Otherwise it will go to the handle no approval mode. And in this way this whole project works.